Welcome. If you want to activate quick launch of your camera in Xiaomi Mi 9T, at the first you have to go for the settings, and right now we have to go for the always on display and the lock screen. And right now when you scroll down a little bit, we can find this feature right here, launch camera. So we have to double press the volume button to open the camera when the phone and when the screen is locked, right? So let's turn it on by tapping on the switcher, then just lock the device and try to click here double time. And as you can see, after that, our camera is turned on. So yeah, that's how we can activate this feature on your Xiaomi Mi 9T. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!